Good morning, pupils. We are your teachers for today. My name is Mylen Abujungan.
My name is Eunice Grace Limbago.
And I'm Marijoy A. Pampilo.
Before we start our discussion, let us pray first.
Good people, give us an open mind so we can incorporate stronger teachings and learn lessons that will help us to succeed in life. Amen.
Objectives. Define food chain. Second, identify proper arrangement of food chain, primary procedures, consumers, and decomposers. And last, draw and explain food chain and its importance in our environment. What is food chain? Food chain is a linear network of links in a food starting from producer organisms and ending at an apex predator species, detritivores or decomposers species. Producers. Plants are called producers. Producers can make their own food using energy from the sun, CO2 from the air, and water from the soil. They make glucose or sugar by photosynthesis. So these are the three types of links about food chain. First, 3-link food chain. Second, a 4-link food chain. And a last is a 5-link food chain.
This is the simplest example of food chain. This corn will eaten by the rat and the owl will eat the rat. Consumers. There are three kinds of consumers. The first one is omnivores, animals that eat plants and other animals. Examples of this is bear. The second one is herbivores, animals that only eat plants. Example of this is a deer. The third one is carnivores, animals that only eat meat. Examples of this is a lion. Decomposers. Decomposers are organisms that feed on or break down dead plants or dead animals. Examples of these are worms, maggots, ants, fungi, and bacteria. These are the examples.
So for now, let's move on. Why food chains are important? Food chains are important because they show the integrated relationship in ecosystem. They can reveal how each organism depends on someone else for survival. Food chains also display what happens when a problem occurs and a producer or consumer is lost. Entire communities can collapse. Food chains can help scientists learn more about ecosystem and how to help them stay balanced.